Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by confirming essentials. The Chromecast is powered, connected to the TV HDMI port, and the power adapter is firm. Once done, make sure you know your Wi-Fi name and password because a factory reset removes saved networks and accounts. Now decide which method to use: a physical button on the dongle for on-device reset or the Google Home app for a remote reset. Follow the next steps for each option. I'll guide you through both so you can choose quickly and confidently. You'll now perform the reset. If using the physical button, press and hold for about 10 to 25 seconds until the LED flashes and the TV displays the reset confirmation. Release when prompted. If using the Google Home app, open the app, select the Chromecast, go to Settings, choose More or the three-dot menu, then Factory Reset and confirm. Make sure the TV stays on the correct HDMI input and do not unplug the power cable while the device completes the process. Because once the Chromecast finishes resetting, you'll see the setup screen on the TV. Use the Google Home app to add the device, reconnect to Wi-Fi, and sign into your account. If the device does not enter reset mode, unplug the power for 30 seconds, plug it back in, and attempt the button reset again. If issues persist, try performing the factory reset from a different phone or tablet, and make sure the Google Home app is updated. This resolves most persistent connection or setup errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.